Assalamu alaikum children. Welcome to the science class for the grade 3. This is lesson number 13, air, part 3. In the previous two videos we have studied about what is air, what is wind, properties of air and the new terms breeze and storm, uses of air, destruction caused by the storms we have seen, and by different examples we have seen the uses of air, and we have also discussed the composition of air, means what does air contain. Okay, in today's video we will solve textbook exercises and we'll sum up the lesson. Here are true or false. All living things need air to breathe. Is this statement correct? All living things need air to breathe. Yes, this is right. So we have written T here. T for true. Air has color, taste and smell. No, it is false. When the wind blows strongly, it is called breeze. No, this is wrong statement. Actually, when the wind blows strongly, it is called storm. So this statement is wrong. That's why we are writing here F. Air forces gliders and hot air balloons to move. Yes, true. Smoke, dust and germs make the air dirty. Here we have studied about the polluted air and fresh air. So this smoke, dust and germs make the air dirty. This statement is right. We have written T here. T for true. Let's sum up the lesson. What we have learned in this lesson, important points are given here. We can feel the air but we cannot see or smell it. Yes, we cannot see the air. There is no smell or shape or taste for the air. Just we can feel it. Air is made up of many gases. Yes, right. The movement of air causes the wind to blow. Yes, moving air is called wind. A gentle wind help us in many ways. So what is a gentle wind called? It is breeze. And strong wind is called storm. Storms cause a lot of damage to the public property. Smoke from factories and vehicles mixes with the air and pollutes it, and we can reduce the pollution by planting more and more trees. Polluted air is harmful for our health. Okay, children? So here, word bank. In this words for practice, we can see some new words and their meanings. First is W-I-N-D, wind. It means moving air. Breeze, B-R-E-E-Z-E, breeze, a gentle wind. Storm, S-T-O-R-M, storm, a strong and fast wind. Windmill, a machine that uses energy from the wind to turn a large wheel. Uses to grind grains into flour, pump water and make electricity. So this type of windmills, they are used to make electricity and to grind the grain, etc. Polluted air, air made unclean, impure and unhealthy by dust and smoke. What are germs? Very tiny living things that spread diseases. Okay, here are the correct answers. Air has no color, no taste or no smell. Wind carries clouds and causes rain. Sometimes storms are accompanied by lightning and thunder. Which of the following is not a component of air? Here, rocks. Rocks are not component of air. Breathing clean and fresh air keeps us healthy. Okay? Other options are makes us grow fat, help us to float, makes us sick and keeps us healthy. So correct answer, breathing clean and fresh air keeps us healthy. Here is next bit. Write the correct word in the spaces given alongside. So here in this statement, two answers are given. Which is correct answer? You have to write here. We can feel or eat the air. Can we eat air? No. We can feel air. So feel is correct answer. We have written feel here. Living things or non-living things need air to breathe. Who needs air to breathe? Living things. So here living is correct answer. Here feel is correct answer. A storm or breeze uproots the tree. Who uproots the tree? Storm uproots the tree. Storm dash crops. Damages or protects? It damages. The sun's heat causes wind to blow or blow. Correct answer is to blow. The air is filled in tires or tables. Correct answer is tires. Rain or wind helps clothes to dry. Wind helps clothes to dry. So here we have ticked wind. Wind helps boats to sail or tell us the time. Wind helps boats to sail. Okay. So here are fill in the blanks. Here help box is given. By seeing this you have to solve this. Air gives dash to a football. Air gives shape to a football. Air has no dash. It has no taste. All plants and animals will dash without air. So all plants and animals will die without air. From this help box you can pick the correct answer and you can write at the suitable place. Dash help to clean air. Trees help to clean air. Dash air can make us sick. Polluted air can make us sick. Okay children. So next bit is read the story and answer the given questions. So you have to read this story carefully. Rohan and his friends in his class went for a picnic. It was a windy day, a perfect day to fly kites. The wind blew Arjun's kite high up. They were very excited to see so many kites in the sky. Veera shouted, "Look up at the sky. There is a basket with a balloon." "What is that?" "Madam," so the teacher said, "that is a hot air balloon." Veera. So Veera is asking to teacher, then teacher is saying that is a hot air balloon, Veera. The wind makes it move. The hot air makes the balloon rise up. Suddenly, it started getting dark. They looked up and saw fluffy dark clouds sailing across the sky. It is going to rain. Now it's going to rain. Let's go back to the bus. We will have some snacks now, said the teacher. All the children ran happily towards the bus. So in this story, they are telling about a picnic where students went with their teacher and they have seen the different situations, different events. So based on that, here are the questions. You have to answer it. What helped Arjun's kite to go high up in the sky? So what was the reason because of that Arjun's kite went high? The reason was because of the wind. The wind is correct answer. Write 3 things that the children saw in the sky. What did the children see? They have seen kites, they have seen hot air balloons and dark clouds. Okay, next question. What made the hot air balloon move up in the sky? Yes, the wind. What do you think the dark fluffy clouds would bring? What happens when the dark clouds appear on the sky? What will happen? It will rain. Okay, so here we have written rain. Now here are some objects. You have to tick which objects need air to survive. Okay, so here this baby and this person, they are living things, they need air to survive. This book needs not any air to survive. This plant needs air to survive. And this candle also needs air to survive. If air is not there, it will be blown off. Okay children, that's it for today's video. Question answers I am sending you. Complete your notes. Write question answers neatly, hard words, words for practice in your notebooks and complete your notes. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.